love with my own hands.
He expected company today, but honestly hope to see you
with someone else. Now I know why I exist in your life. I'll tell you why. Da 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 da, why? I will tell you why. I will tell you why. This is bad karma. Why are you running? My duty is to fight and receive some bad karma. Run, I'll chase you for fun. I won't stop, I'll wait for my own bad karma. Look behind this corner, there's me facing you with death. Keep holding on to your breath, cause it's the end.
He hoped for something else today. You will make him happy
with someone else. Now I know why I exist in your life. I'll tell you why. Are you running? My duty is to fight and receive some bad karma. Run, I'll chase you for fun. I won't stop, I'll wait for my own bad karma. Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Bendy land. Let me tell a story that you should really believe in. From now on, be my creator, helping me to see. If you don't listen, you will get blood. So there is a thing that I really need to tell. I came from very far away, a paper on the shelf. My creator did abandon me and now you need to help. Follow me to my in-machine or else it will be love. How does it feel to be alone now? Love will be on your hands. Love. Sacrifices must be made. Love. Just make it flow like ink. Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Bendy land. Let me tell a story that you should really believe in. From now on, be my creator, helping me to see. If you don't listen, you will get blood. I have no idea why you're thinking something's wrong. Please follow my steps, don't think you don't belong. This will be your second home, cause I'll owe you some. Unless you don't listen, then I'll make sure you love. How does it feel to be alone now? Love will be on your hands. Love. Sacrifices must be made. Love. Just make it flow like ink. Hey there, you my friend, welcome to Bendy land. Let me tell a story that you should really believe in. From now on, be my creator, helping me to see. If you don't listen, you will get blood.